Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you to call them back on their phone number, which starts with 0939. So my question is right away, do you know which network that is? And if you don't, no worries. With CouponBet, you can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So step 1. Log in on CouponBet. Step 2. Once you're on the dashboard, you're logged on, go to the Tools tab, you click on this, and then you will see every tool right now available on CouponBet. And there are many tools all suitable for your travel agency. Scroll down to the bottom, and in there you can see the tool Provider Prefix Checker. With this tool, you can use to find any network that's matched with a specific prefix that is right now available and known. So let's put it in here, and it is 0939. There you are. You can see instantly this is a smart number. So now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. CouponBet is really designed to help your travel agency to be more organized, and with those tools it will help you to be focused on your customer and improve your service. And if you like tools like this and you want to organize your travel agency, go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.